I have discovered a way to make peonies rebloom months later after you trim them. So follow along as I show you how you can trim peonies now and then enjoy them a few months later. I use this technique to save peonies for a friend's wedding. I trim the peonies in June and then I later open them up for the wedding in September. So this will work. The first tip is that you need to cut peonies that feel slightly like a marshmallow. They need to be closed yet still soft. If you try using a peony that is really tightly closed, it will not work, and same with a peony that has already began to open. This also will not work for those type of peonies. So grab one, as long as it feels kind of like a soft marshmallow, this technique should work for you. So what you do is trim the peony with a long stem. Try to avoid putting it in water before you do this, but if you have to, just put the tip in water. Then you are going to remove all of the greenery, leave about 16 to 18 inches of stem. Know that you are going to have to store these in your fridge, so consider the space for that as well. And then when you do revive the peony later on, you're going to have to cut a few more inches off the stem, so be aware of that as well. Take the peony, remove all the greenery, even remove some of the green leaves that are up around the petals. Any dirt or debris or bugs can cause the peony to mold, so you need to make sure that it is quite clean. Then you take the peony and you placed it in some saran wrap. Any brand really works. And when you place it down, you're going to want to make sure that you're really wrapping up the top of the peony and that you're also wrapping up the base of the stem where it would naturally draw up water. Getting it sealed up as good as possible will help your chances of reviving this peony later on. You can wrap a few stems up together if you would like. It depends how important reviving the peonies are. Obviously, wrapping them up individually will give you a better chance of reviving them later on. And then after you have the peonies wrapped up, place them in a large Ziploc bag, remove as much air as possible, and then you need to store them horizontally in your fridge. I hope this works for you. We were able to save multiple peonies and then revive them months later using this technique. When you go to revive them, pull the peonies out, trim off 1 to 2 inches of the stem, place it in lukewarm water, and realize that it may take a day or two for your peony fully to revive and open up.